All right, this is a very simple concept in SQL or writing SQL queries, and that is putting your results in a certain order, or sorting, it's called. Here's what I mean. In the database, things might be in a specific order, but perhaps in our query we want everything to be in alphabetical order by patient name, or we want it to be in order by phone number or social security or something like that. So there's an additional SQL keyword to do that. So I want to show you how to do that. So let me write a quick query here. We'll get the patient name. We'll get patient number also. All right, so hopefully we know the syntax on this basic select fields from table. Let's try that, and then we'll talk about reordering. Right, so that's typical query. We're grabbing 3 fields from the table. But again, they're going to be in order based on how they are in the table. So I guess in the table they're in patient number order. Suppose we wanted them in ordered by or sorted by patient name. That's, like I said, it's an additional keyword, and that's going to come at the end of the query. So it's order by is the keyword. It's 2 separate words, so there's a space in there. So it's an SQL keyword, so I've capitalized it. And like I mentioned, your order by should always come at the end. So you'll have your select fields from table. And if you want to sort them, that order by should come at the end, followed by the field that you want to order by. So if we want to order by names, I have to specify that exact field name, patient name. So notice results are pretty much the same, except they're in a different order than they appear in the table. So that's all there is to doing that within your SQL query. Order by field name. One thing you can do with that order by, and again, that should come at the end, and that should be a field here, not a table name. But one thing you can do with that, perhaps you might want to, is put them in a different order. Maybe you have amounts, and you want, instead of going from the lowest to the highest, you want to do the other way around. So in this case, instead of going from A to Z, maybe we want to go from Z to A. It's just an additional keyword. It's going to come after the name of the field. So we could do DESC. There's really no need to do ascending because it's ascending by default. So if we do DESC there, notice now we're going kind of in the opposite order. So if you want to order from, if it's numbers from lowest to highest, or if it's names from A to Z, you just do order by the field. But if you want to put it kind of in reverse order, so to speak, after the field name, add that SQL keyword DESC, and you can see the results. So again, if they were amounts, it would go from highest to lowest instead of lowest to highest.